So today, I am going to teach you how to make Bablade Phenix wing. Firstly, take a photocopy of Bablade from my WhatsApp channel link in description and take a hot iron and press it, and cardboard will be strong and easy to cut. After that, cut the attaching part, which attach with Bablade launcher, and make copies of template on cardboard. And cut it after that, glue it. And for 360 ratchet, make template on cardboard like this, and cut it and glue it. For bit, cut a sketch pen, tip like this, and stick a circular object with febiquis, and add a circular cardboard piece, and add febiquis on Bablade layer Rashid. And it's ready. Here is test.
To give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. Let's do, give me your loyalty.
And from videos like this, hit the subscribe button, and like this video. And for how to make an anime figure with paper, check out this video.